Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Galaxy Watch 7 to an Android phone. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to enable our watch by holding this upper button on the right edge of your watch. Then, wake it up and choose the language that you want your watch be in. For example, I will pick English and click Continue. Also, you would need to download Galaxy Wearable application on your phone to connect it successfully. Now choose your country or region on your watch. I'm choosing Czech Republic and clicking on Restart. We will need to wait a while until your watch will turn on again. After your watch has turned on, now we need to work in the Galaxy Wearable application. Click on More and Start. Here we would need to check the numbers on our watch and our phone and make sure that they are the same. Now click Confirm and wait a little while. Here we would need to choose some things that we want to agree to, for example Samsung end user license, sending of diagnostic data, or anything else that you can see right here. Then click Continue and wait until your watch will be ready to connect. Next thing that we will need to do, that's to sync into our Google account. You can choose the account that is suggested on the screen or choose other account by clicking on this button. I will choose Emily Miller and continue. And also, if you have a PIN code on your phone, you would need to confirm it. Now we would need to also accept the terms of service of the Google and click I agree. Now, after the Google checkup has ended, you can select the apps from Google that you would like to download on your watch. You can see I have some installed applications on my device, and if I will click on this confirm button, I will also add them on my watch. And you can also check on these applications which are recommended for the watches. Then click continue, click next, and wait until it will end checking for smart switch. After it ended, you can check if you wanna give permissions to call logs, contacts, nearby devices, notification, and SMS, so you can enjoy more useful features of your watch. I will click Allow and click Set up as new watch. Here we would need to set up our wearing preferences, for example, preferred wrist and button position. I will choose right and also right on the screen. Click Next. Click also next few times and wait until the finishing of the setup will be ended. And now we are all set. The setup of this device has ended and you can start using your watch right now. This is how looks the Galaxy Wearable application. You can also check the settings right here. And after your watch will start, you'll be also able to start using them without your phone. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.